Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors. It's bright out today, but
it's
cold. Anyway, it is windy. I'm sure you guys can hear that, so I'm going to flip the camera around and we'll get right to this. But we've got the Arrma Senton. We're going to do a speed test with this. Now, the main thing what we're doing here today is testing it with the included nickel metal hydride battery versus a 2-cell LiPo battery, 5,000 milliamp. The reason for that is because you can run both types of batteries on this. There are a couple unique features about this truck, but we will talk about those in some later videos. But very quickly, there's underneath the hood, as we like to say, and it's a completely ready to run unit. So
and again, as always, the GPS speed meter we're using doesn't exist anymore.
Yeah, crazy. I wish they'd sell it. They really should sell that.
We need to get a new one, something new that you all can check out yourself. So
let's see how fast it goes.
All right.
If you ask me, that is a very good looking truck.
I like that. I like that decal right there.
That is nice. Got those D-Boots tires. It just looks like a really well-rounded short course truck. Now, if you're interested, we'll have it linked in the description box below.
Down the ramp.
You can see.
Are you standing up here?
Yeah. Now guys, when we do our speed tests, they are so you know how fast they go. We're not saying that they are record-setting vehicles, just to let you, just so you're aware.
So this one is completely stock, no upgraded parts, just straight out of the box.
Right, and that is top speed right there. I don't know that you'll be able to beat my speed there, Abby. But I'll let it go all the way down here. And
don't a lot of Arrma vehicles come with like a gear you can change to make it go faster? Yeah.
So here we're gonna go top speed. I turned the steering sensitivity down, by the way. Handles those bumps nicely. And I think it's time to just go ahead and bring it up and see how fast I got it to go.
And watch me beat you.
Yep, probably.
Oh, you got it wet.
In there, yeah.
All right, and Nathan's score is 31 kilometers per hour.
Yeah.
31. Let's see if I can beat that.
So just a quick mention, this truck has a unique drive shaft. We'll show you the drive shaft in a later video, so be sure to stay tuned for that.
Come on, little buddy!
See if you can beat that 31. I don't know. I'll let you do the LiPo first. We'll switch it around that way.
Maybe these bumps will help me get more speed.
Maybe. Hit the bumps! Alright, that's probably good. Let's see, I'm going to say 31. I want to say you did not beat me on that.
32. Come on, 32.
31.
No, no.
31.
All right, I can beat you on the LiPo.
Okay, so switching batteries and battery types is pretty easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do it with this. It's a cool little setup. I personally like LiPos more, even if it doesn't go any faster. I just feel like I have better control over my LiPo. I can charge them a little nicer, a little faster. Storage charge them easier. I just like LiPos more than nickel metal hydride, but this comes with this nickel metal hydride battery. So this is really nice. You take those body pins off and they've got those little rubber connectors, so you don't have to worry about setting them off to the side or losing them. That pops off. Let's turn this off for safety, and we'll leave the transmitter on. That's fine with me. Unplug that. We did get everything wet in there. You can see it's pretty wet from those puddles, but that's okay because this is very water resistant. I don't know if it's waterproof. I would drive it into a lake, but it can hold up against some water. Really quick look here. We'll maybe talk about this a little bit more in another video, but check out this little drive shaft in here. You pop that out and now you can do maintenance on your vehicle very easily. I think you have to take off these screws or something to get the thing completely off. I can't remember. No, there it goes, there it goes. So we can do maintenance on that, replace that very easily. That's a very unique thing about this vehicle. But check it out, that's just really easy to work on your car now. Had to get that Velcro out of the way, and now the drive shaft is back in. That is awesome. Now, in order to change from nickel metal hydride to LiPo, there's a little jumper setting down here. There's two of them. This one on the end will take you from nickel metal hydride, and we put it over on this side, and now we're set up for lipo. It's that easy. And that's really cool because
It's just those little things right
yeah.
there.
Okay. Transmitter's on. Always have the transmitter on first, guys, on these hobby grade vehicles. Definitely for safety. Even though there's an on-off switch, transmitter on. Sometimes vehicles, if they get power before the transmitter, they'll just go full throttle. So now that the transmitter's on, we kick power to that, and it's ready to go.
I remember one time we accidentally did that with your axial wraith, and it just
ran off on us.
It took off.
All right, see if we go any faster. Just a test, not saying we will. You think it sounds any different? I think it sounds the same. Okay, here we go, full speed. See how the lipo does.
It's faster.
You think so?
I think so.
I don't know. Feels about the same to me.
I don't know.
That's definitely full throttle for a long time, so just go ahead and bring it back. Full speed, full speed, full speed. I am curious. I almost think it might be slower.
Really?
Yeah. We got a nice long run time with that 5,000 milliamp battery though. Nice four-wheel drive, so we can handle that off-roading stuff, no problem. Ah, 30.
32. Nathan got 32.
A little faster.
I said we could get 33, so come on.
Going down this ramp, do not go full throttle.
Oh, why not?
Cheating.
What? That's not cheating. Okay.
No, no, no.
Come on, Nathan.
No. You're not allowed. Okay. All right, see what you got, Abby.
Pressure's on.
Full speed, full speed.
The water will help me.
No, no, no. Okay.
Oh no.
All right, bring it back. If you beat 32, it's because you cheated.
I didn't give it. Yeah, you're
All right, okay, okay, that's it. You coming? Okay, all right, let's see what you got. 32!
Okay, now let me go full speed down the ramp.
I told her not to.
That's all I was gonna do.
Oh, well, that was very anticlimactic.
Oh, we want better? Alright. Nope.
No, you didn't beat it. Okay, now let's see.
Tight. Oh my god!
That was a lot of water. That's a lot of water. Hope it was worth it. 32. What a loser. All right, guys, we're gonna do more with this truck, assuming Abby didn't just break everything.
No, I
Thanks a lot
did
for
not.
watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!